and for today's video, we will do an experiment called Corrosion of Metals. And in this experiment, we will have different set of conditions or environment which we will observe their effect or influence on the corrosion of the metals. And of course, in all experiment, the first step is to prepare the materials first. And as you can see, ito na po yung mga kailangan nating gamitin para sa experiment na ito. Una ay ang tubig, then unused cooking oil, bleach, which we will use Sunrox for this experiment. We also need 4 paper cups, table salt, plastic bags, rubber bands, nails or pack-off, sandpaper, and lastly is a measuring spoon. And now let's proceed na sa ng solutions. So before pala natin gawin yung apat na solutions, we first need to clean the nails or yung pako using a sandpaper. We need this para ma-ensure na yung nails is walang rust. Importante na malinis yung mga pako, of course, para accurate yung makuha natin data or information sa experiment. Now, after cleaning the nails, we will now set the first environment or type of solution, which is the water. The first step is lagyan natin ng kalahating basong tubig ang isang plastic cups. Ayan. Then, we will soak the clean nails into the water. Here we have 2 nails. And after that is ilagay natin yung baso sa plastic bag and secure it with a rubber band. Here we will use a blue rubber band. Ayan. Then, let's set it aside. For the second environment, we will have an acidic, and to make it first, we will just do the first step in the first condition, which is filling half of the plastic cups with water. And then, we need to add 10 drops of the bleach. First drop, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and last 10. And after mixing, we will just repeat the 2 to 4th step in the previous condition. We will soak the nails into the solution, then cover it with a plastic bag. And after covering it with a plastic bag, we need to secure it with a rubber band, and here we will use orange rubber band. And lastly is to set it aside. The third condition or environment is salty, and from the word itself, we will be having a salt water solution. And to make it, again, just fill half of the cup with water. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. So So here we have 1 tablespoon of measuring spoon to accurately measure the table salt. Of course, we need to make sure to mix the solution well. And then just follow the step 2 and 3 in the previous condition by soaking the nails into the water, covering the cup with plastic bag, and I will be using a green one for this one. Then let's set it aside. Now, to make the last environment, again, fill the cup with water until half. Then add 2 tablespoons of unused oil. Then soak the nails into the water with mixed oil. Don't forget to mix the oil. And lastly is to cover the cup with plastic bag and secure it with a rubber band. Yellow rubber band. I'll be using yellow one for this one. And again, set it aside. To make the solutions easily identifiable, let's put a label on them. We now have the 4 environments or solutions with soap nails to be observed for 3 days, and time check, it is 9:30 p.m. and we'll be back tomorrow for the first day of observation. After 24 hours of soaking the iron nails into the 4 different solutions, day 2 of our soaked iron nails. And today is the third day of the iron nails being exposed into 4 different environments. For this day as well, we will wash the metals and see what happened to them.